Today we're here at Continental Tire in Mount Vernon, Illinois, where we produce over 11 million passenger and light truck tires, in addition to over 3 million commercial tires. So currently here at Mount Vernon, we use over 250 vehicles that has Yellow Vision installed on it. Finding out that they offer a telemetry system that's actually integrated into the truck and not a third-party program that's trying to be retrofitted onto a vehicle was very appealing to us. Working with Black Equipment and Yellow Vision, implementing the system in our plant was very efficient, very smooth, and they offered support from a technician all the way up to ownership level. The customization and setup that met our needs here at this facility was the ability to use a CDMA network for cellular data as opposed to connecting to our Wi-Fi, which eliminated a lot of challenges that we were going to face otherwise. In addition to that, we also looked for a system that would be able to retrofit onto non-Yale vehicles that we were still in operation in plant. So another great benefit of the Yellow Vision system is the automated fault code monitoring that comes with every system. And what that does is it allows Black Equipment to see issues with the truck that we may not even know is available yet, and they can service the call, and it's really sped up our uptime. One of the utilization tools that we use with the Yellow Vision is the ability to pull up key time, motion time, and also idle time in every one of our vehicles, which allows us to effectively evaluate whether or not a vehicle is truly needed in our facility or not. So prior to Yellow Vision, we relied on paper OSHA checklists as far as pre-operation inspections are concerned. With Yellow Vision, it allows us to automate that and eliminate over 250,000 pieces of paper. I would absolutely recommend Yellow Vision to any other operation. Here at this facility, we have both manufacturing and warehousing, and it works fantastic for both applications.